So in this course, we are going to build a really simple application where we would actually show all the popular Instagram photos on a single page website. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as usual, if you're taking my previous course, you always have to grab all the packages, right? So before we do that, let's create a folder first. So we're gonna cd to desktop or cd to desktop, and as usual, fire up your PowerShell, and then you make directory called Instagram app. Alright, then once you have made the directory, you can cd to that folder, and you can ls, and you can npm init. So once you have npm init, there will be some common prompt that will ask you to enter your app name, settings, and stuff like that. So for now, we're just gonna press enter, and description: this is a photo application made with Instagram, and we have changed it to server.js. Enter your name or whatever. I'm just gonna name it Batman, and you're gonna press yes. And now ls. So once we have npm init, as usual, npm init is to initialize your package to JSON. So whenever you want to use the third-party libraries or whatever, you will put it into package to JSON to use it. So once we have this file, let's go ahead and grab this here. Alright, so once we have this, you're gonna right click on Instagram app folder, and you're gonna create a new file called server.js. Alright, once we have this, we are going to grab all the packages for express equals to require. In this video, in this course, we're not going to use AngularJS. We're going to use a built-in Node.js template called EJS. It's not actually built-in, but pretty much if you want to build just a website, then I recommend you to use EJS only, and maybe jQuery. You don't need to use Angular for a normal website like what are we going to do right now. So type in express and app equals to express, and then we're going to install the dependency, which is the Instagram dependency. Let's go ahead and install it. npm install. First we're going to install express, and then we're going to install Instagram node. Alright, and then we're going to put save, and you're going to wait for a while. So once you have installed it, you're going to go back here and you're going to type in Instagram e equals to require Instagram dot Instagram. This is the third-party library that we are going to use to fetch all the API from Instagram. So once you have that, you're gonna type in app.use express static. This middleware is to tell Node where to look for site resources like CSS, maybe HTML or JavaScript and stuff like that. And public. Alright, so once we have this, and then we're gonna set the EJS, the template engine for Node, and we're gonna name it view engine, and we're gonna name it EJS. Alright, as usual, go back here, go ahead and install npm install EJS, save. So once you have installed that, you're gonna go down and you're gonna type in app.listen. And you're gonna probably add a callback function here. Function. Check whether there's an error or not. If there's an error, go ahead and console error, and else console log listening on port 8080. Alright, so what's going on here? First we grab all the packages that we gonna use, Express, the web framework, and we're gonna create an instance of Express object. So we could use app.uses, you could use app.set and stuff, listen, all the Express methods. And after that we set a middleware for to see where to look for set resources, like as I said, HTML, CSS, JavaScript file and stuff like that. And lastly, we are setting our templating system or engine, which is EJS, very powerful, flexible. That's what we are using it. There are other alternatives, but for now we're going to use EJS since it is, really close to HTML. So let's go ahead and save it and go to here and ls. Not, and if you haven't installed Nodman, go ahead and npm install Nodman and -g, meaning global, so you can use it. So you don't need to install it every time. So once you have installed it, wait for a while. So maybe I'm gonna pause this video for a while. So once you have install it, go ahead and type in clear, and once you have type in clear, you can type in nodman server.js. Clearly there's a problem. Alright, we're not going to use nodman. I believe nodman's not recognizing of the. Let me pause this video for all. Maybe I made some mistake. Clearly there's some problem with my terminal, I believe. So I restart and I start again, and the problem still occurs. So whenever I type nodman server.js, there's some problem. So for now I'm just gonna use node server.js. The difference is I just need to refresh. I need to cancel my server and start again. So that's the only difference. So let's go ahead, go to localhost 8080, and obviously it's working. So in the next video we are going to create the EJS templates. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.